Hi Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you are going to be watching us create welcome signs for indoor and outdoor doors. We made one for my aunt's birthday and then we made a second one for my niece's teacher's classroom. The first step was painting the wood rounds with black paint. While the paint was drying, Michele created word design in Cricut design space. Once the design was created, she prepared the Cricut machine and placed white vinyl on the Cricut cutting mat to fit the size of our font. The vinyl was purchased from Dollar Tree, but you can also buy it on Amazon. With the Cricut program, it shows you the measurements to assist you with knowing how much vinyl paper you need. Ours was measured at 8 inches. Next, Michele inserted the vinyl paper into the Cricut and sent the design via Bluetooth. After the Cricut was done cutting the letters, Michele pulled back the outer portion of the sticker so that the letters are still on the original sheet. She took the transfer tape and peeled it back so the sticky part would be exposed. She peeled off the letters and stuck them to the wood rounds like a sticker. She pressed down really good on the design to help it stick and used the transfer tape that was also bought at the Dollar Tree. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. Next, we put away the cutting mat and sprayed semi-gloss polyurethane on the finished product so that it will stay nice, especially in various weather. Lastly, Michele glued a buffalo print ribbon with a burlap lace ribbon and made a bow. She hot glued it to the wood round and added greenery and sunflowers. We also took apart a wood bead round from Dollar Tree as well and hot glued that around the exterior of the wood round. We hope that you enjoy this DIY gift on a budget and hope that you have a great week. See you next time.